over. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go home. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas, no.
Hey guys, it is Diamond Forever here coming at you guys with a hair review video. If you want to know all the details on this wig, how I installed it, whether there was shedding, anything you want to know, you can find it if you just keep on watching. But before we jump into all of that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new here. Everybody go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and also leave in the comment section below what your favorite headband wig is from. So like the company, whether it was Amazon, AliExpress, whatever, let me know. This wig was very affordable. You can watch the rest of the video and see my full thoughts on the wig. But as always, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I will see you in the next clip. All right, y'all, it's been a minute since I've done a voiceover, so definitely bear with me, but let's jump right into it. So this is how I'm looking. I have my bonnet on, and there is the wig. This is coming kind of fast. But yeah, there's the wig, fresh out the box. I have not done anything to it. It has the, of course, standard black band attached, and then there are also clips on the inside. This is the info card for the wig. So it is a 22-inch deep wave band wig. Again, I'm showing you the band, and it has Velcro in the back, which I like because it's not as like tight and restrictive as if it had clips. And then there are a total of 4 clips, or combs is the better word, combs inside of the wig. So taking my bonnet off, and that's what I have under there, which nothing too crazy but nothing too nice either. So I'm just gonna undo these braids. Y'all, these braids done clearly been through it, and it's definitely time for them to come out. I think my hair was freshly washed in this, and so I probably just put the braids in it just to stretch it a little bit. I can't remember. So now that the braids are out, I'm just gonna kind of split my hair in half and do kind of a ponytail in the back, and then bring the rest of the hair on top of that. And by no means is my part straight at all, but yeah, it doesn't have to be. Who's gonna see it? But I'm just gonna slick that front half into the back half. I'm using my Eco Styler flaxseed and the fresh hard bristle brush, and I'm just gonna kind of slick it on there. It does not have to be perfect by any means. So now that I have pretty much everything how I want it, I'm going to go in with the reinforcements. The Got To Be is the Truth is what's going to really slick it down, and then top it with some of that Mega Freeze hairspray. Any hairspray will do. I'm not using a whole bunch of Got To Be. Like, you really don't need that much. And like I said, this does not have to be a perfectly sleek ponytail, but you do want like your front especially to be pretty sleek. So yeah, I'm going in with the Got To Be, and then I will spray the Mega Freeze. Something wrong with my spray bottle, but I'm gonna spray that on top and just kind of work it in again with the brush. Oh, maybe not with the brush, I don't know. Then I'm just gonna plop the wig on. Now I'm just trying to get the wig properly positioned on my head. I'm just snapping the Velcro in the back and then push that wig back. It is no reason the band should be before your hair even starts, like no reason at all. So I feel like that's a good level as far as like being too far forward or too far back. Honestly, I probably could have brought it forward just a bit more, but it is what it is. And so now I'm going in with my handy dandy edge toothbrush, and I did this wrong. I should have pulled my edges out first, then put the Got To Be on. But I'm learning, y'all. At this point, I was still just barely knew how to do my edges, so please forgive me. Like, it took me a while. I used to be that girl who needed her friend to do her edges all the time. So I'm coming a long way, honestly. I'm still learning, but I'm coming a long way. And honestly,
Got2b is really the only edge control. I know it's not an edge control, but it's the only thing I really like to use on my edges. I know it flakes sometimes or whatever, but it's really the only thing that works for me. This is me struggling with my edges. I told y'all I don't really know what I'm doing, but I've gotten a lot better since this video, I promise. But yeah, just watch me struggle for a little bit. So I kind of sort of got them how I want them, and I'm just going to spray some hairspray on top, which I don't even know why I did that, because I literally went to hot yoga after this and I had to redo my edges anyway. So that's why at the end of the video you're going to see my edges look different. But that's neither here nor there. I'm still going to wrap them up with a silk wrap while I get everything else together. And when the silk wrap is on top of the other band, it looks a little crazy. So honestly, if you wanted to do your edges and wrap them and tie them down before you put your wig on, it would have been perfectly fine. I'm going in with the Texture ID styling custard. See y'all, look, the wig is falling off my head at this point. But I'm going in with the styling custard just to style the curls. Now you could have gone in with just water if you wanted to. I did use just a little bit of styling custard. I don't know why. I really could have saved my product, but yeah, it looks cute in the end, so I'm not mad at it, but you can really just use water. So I have worked the product and water into the hair to my liking, and I'm just about to show you guys a shot of like how much shedding I got. So this is about how much shedding I got for the entire wig. I feel like that's not a lot, especially, don't mind my misnail, but especially for curly hair. I think that's a great amount of shedding. Now it's time to take the wrap off and show you guys the edges. Ooh, y'all, stuck to my head. So again, I'm just adjusting the wig to the level on my head that I like it, because of course with the silk wrap on, it kind of got adjusted a bit. But I'm just kind of putting it where I like it. I like for a little bit of my hair to show, like in addition to after the edges. So I'm just kind of playing with it to get it exactly where I want it. But it does not take like a lot of effort really. I didn't like it right here because it looked like the band was rolled up and it looked like the whole wig was kind of rolling forward. So I did have to play with it a bit. So I think I finally got it pushed back enough, and now I'm just kind of making sure the hair is laying exactly how I want it. But things are starting to look good. Y'all, my skin looks good. Everything is starting to come together. And boom, here we have it, pretty much the finished product, y'all. I just love how this looks. It's super seamless and just looks really put together, but simple. But I don't know, I really like how it makes me feel. I think it makes me look very youthful but not childish at the same time. I don't know, I just really feel like I'm glowing in this wig. It could be my skin, it could be the green. Maybe the green really compliments me, but I really like it. I'm trying to show you guys how long it is. It's a pretty good length at 22 inches. Sometimes I feel like when you get a 22-inch curly wig, it could be at your shoulders sometimes, but this one is definitely a good length, I feel like. And yeah, you can see that smile. I really like how it looks.
Okay, you guys, so it has been quite a bit since that last clip. I have gone to hot yoga, I went to the dog park. I had therapy, which means I have time traveled through the last couple decades. So I've been a busy girl. There are slight changes from the last time you saw me with mainly my edges. That is why. But I wanted to come back and show you guys the finished product of this hair. I love how defined the curls are. I love the fullness of the wig. Like, it's not giving you have one bundle in your head. Like, it's definitely not. I just really love the definition. Oh, I want to put on a cute headband. Wait. Okay, so I'm back and I have options now. So originally when I bought this wig, I bought these y'all know these headbands. Y'all know what I'm finna do. I bought these to go with them. Isn't that so pretty? I think that is so cute for like a glam, not a glam, but like a night out with your girls. You go into like a dark club and you want to be seen, I think this is cute, right? Not the vibe I'm going for tonight. Tonight I'm just getting marks with my friends, so not the vibe for tonight, but I think this could definitely be a moment. And then I've had this headband for a while, very similar but different kind of moment. This is giving me more Princess Leia, in my opinion. Like, this is giving me more regal. This is giving me more, it's making my head look weirder, first of all, but it's a different type of moment. But once again, not the vibe I'm going for. I had this problem the last time I wore this headband. It's like it comes forward too much, but neither here nor there, because that's not the vibe I'm going for. I haven't decided if for tonight I'm just gonna put this white headband on, or if I'll leave it like this. Only reason I don't want to put this on is because I feel like it's gonna get dirty with my makeup. But let's try it. Okay, so after I did all that struggling with putting this on carefully, I still don't know if it's what I want to wear, because the white in this and the white in my shirt is not exactly vibing. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely would recommend this headband wig. Once again, I'm going to give you guys one last spin. Keep in mind, I have not refreshed the curls or anything since hours and hours and hours ago. So this is how we're looking. And then like I tried to show you guys before, it is flowy, it is full. You can't see no tracks. Can you let me know, y'all? Can you see them? But this is what we're working with, and I love it. I think I would definitely get like a shorter one too, to give myself like a little bit more natural look, so like people can be like, is that her? I definitely would recommend picking it up. If you have any questions about it, either check the description box, because I'm going to try to leave all details there. If you still have questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my very best to get back to you. Everybody go ahead and hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, subscribe as well, and then leave me a comment and letting me know you are a new subscriber here. And I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.